So guys, another platform na naman tayo and then invite to earn din, no? So lahat halos ng mga trading platform is meron ito. Ito naman sa MEXC, no, sa invite friends to enjoy 50% commission, earn 20 USDT, invite friends to join MEXC up to 300 USDT, refer to earn, and then meron pang lucky spin 100% chance of winning. So share your referral link code. Ayan, so kailangan nyo lang mag-sign up guys. Okay, sign up via Google, MetaMask, Telegram, or Apple ID guys. Okay? So, sign up maybe later. So, mamaya mag-sign up tayo dyan, guys. So, tignan muna natin itong mga ano dito. So, referral commission. So, referral sign up using the referral shared referral code or link will generate commission for the referrer with each valid trade. So, the referrer will receive a corresponding percentage of the trading fees as a commission. So, commission rate. So, for standard account, the commission rate for both spot and future trading is 50%. User can apply to become an MEXC affiliate to receive a higher commission rate. So how to participate? So click the button on the event page to participate in the referral program guys. Okay? Here's the referral program. You will see here in the event. Airdrop also available here. Kickstarter, Mothers, Lucky Wheel, USDC, Mag Party, PI Party. Get $8,000 USDT bonus early. Zero Fest, Future M-Day, Future Hotspot, Future Leaderboard, Super X. So let's check if there is a there you go. So copy trader guys, meron na naman dito. Copy trade, and then syempre meron ding demo trading guys na pwede nating gawin. Okay? So here is the quick buy and sell P2P trading also available here in MEXC. So NXPC guys is merong event, no? Ito yung current value ng NXPC. Ayan, so 2.66. Ayan guys, so ito yung nanguna ngayon na pinag-uusapan, no? Dahil nga dun sa kanyang mismong update. Okay, ayan guys, oh. So airdrop season 1, so check natin nga to. Give back to loyal user. Okay, so medyo tapos ano na to, matagal-tagal na to guys. Pero yung ano, no, so keep in mind, so dun sa previous video natin about dito sa NXPC guys, so kailangan mo lang deposit ng 100 USDT and then makakapag-earn ka na doon ng 600 NXPC sa May 28 guys. Okay? So more yan, so ito yung referral and then affiliate. So check natin muna yung referral program guys. Ito yung invite friends, so ito yung kiklik mo and then mag-sign up ka dyan, lalabas dyan yung referral link mo guys. Okay? And then dito rin sa more, andito na yung affiliate program. Up to 70% guys yung commission niya. No, so kailangan mo mag-apply muna dito. So step 1 yan, apply today to become MEXC affiliate. And then step 2 yan, we'll review your application. Once approved, you'll get a unique referral code to share with your target audience. So promote your custom code in articles. Okay, so kailangan nyo muna mag-apply kung gusto nyo up to 70% ang commission. No? Earn passive income every month for every trader you refer. So on your referral trading fees, so on your sub-affiliates commission, 10%. So yan guys, halimbawa yan, ikaw to, no, sa referrals, sub-affiliates mo, and then referrals guys, okay? So activate mo lang yan now, and then login ka rin muna syempre dito sa ating MEXC Global guys. And then afterwards is makakapag-earn ka na dito via referral or affiliate guys, okay? So yan, may DEX din dito. Kung gusto nyo mag-trading or mag-swap ng mga coins, ayan guys. Okay? So, pataas ng pataas yung NXPC guys, no? Mas okay pa siya ngayon kesa sa grass. No? So, sa grass, check natin yung grass. Medyo bumaba siya, no? 2.91%. And then, 3.20. While NXPC, ayan, no? So, plus 7.95% guys. Or 8.14% ang tinaas niya. Okay, so anyway, meron din dito noon, no, sa MEXC, pero mas maganda doon sa nakaraang video natin. Panoorin nyo na lang dyan sa mga video natin, guys. So, yun lang muna. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye, guys.